Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Sims 4 game, where I'm going to show you how you can modify and change the various different other households within your game world. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sims 4 game on your device, and you may start a new game by creating a new sim or continue from where you left off previously. Now, once you're inside your game mode, if you would wish to change or edit any of the stuff within the various different game worlds that are available, just click on Manage Worlds at the top section, or you may also press the F5 button on your keyboard. You will now be asked whether you would like to save your changes before going to the Manage World section. You can choose whichever option you wish, and this will now take you into the Manage World page. Within this page, you can choose the various different properties, and you will be able to see the Sims that live there. If you wish to play the role of various different characters within these households, you can simply choose these characters and then click on the play button, and you can now play as this character right away. You will now be taken into this household, and this family will now be under your control. Now, from the Manage Worlds page, you can do various other things as well, such as build on various different properties that are empty or vacant. When you build any property within Manage World, you will have unlimited funds in order to achieve your desired construction. Similarly, you can also select various different characters, and then from the more options at the bottom right corner, you can also manage their household, within which you can transfer Sims between different households, or you can also add or remove Sims. And from this option, you can change the name, gender, as well as various other aspects of these Sims. You also have the option to add a new member within their household. Now, if you have chosen any household and you have played as any of the characters within it, then it will be added to all of your household section. You can click on the More option at the bottom right corner and click on Manage Household. And from here, if you wish, you can even remove all of these characters. You may add as many households as you wish from the Create a New Household menu. And through this method, you can choose various different worlds as well to make your desired edits. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to modify and change the game worlds in the Sims 4 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.